to find my room.
I'm sure. And a very good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen.
Good timing
This is
there.
Captain from the bridge. Just a brief update here. The front has passed by here. The front of the little low pressure system has passed by.
This is a junior
We had some
suite.
pretty
I'll
good gusts of
wait
wind
to
up
talk
50
after
miles
this
an hour.
guy.
And lots of rain for a few minutes there anyways, but it is by us. We still got some gusty winds out there now coming out of the west, coming off the shore. So again, and there may be some passing showers in the next hour or two, but this is a uneven system. There's going to be more coming a little later on today. Perhaps just before we're departing, we may get some more rain coming through and some more wind. So just keep that in mind when you're going on the upper decks. The passing showers will be happening throughout the afternoon. And we will get some good gust of wind throughout the day as well. Tomorrow's looking like a much better day, probably starting in about noon tomorrow. We're going to get south and west of these systems, and by the time tomorrow afternoon rolls around, we should have a pretty good looking day out there. Again, thank you very much for your cooperation, and please proceed to have a great afternoon on board the Allure of the Seas.
So here's the walk-in closet. This is on the Allure of the Seas, like you just heard from the captain there. We are in Fort Lauderdale today, and it's pretty windy and rainy, but the front has passed is what he said. But this is a good sized room. I think you get quite a bit more space. Obviously you got a full-size couch there, and then the room is much wider, like at least by 3 feet, 3 or 4 feet probably, plus the closet. And then you got a privacy screen there. That might be a pull-out couch. I'm not sure. And then the bathroom. They got the adjustable air bathroom. The difference between this and the regular bathrooms is you just get the little shower, and this you get the whole a whole bathtub, and twice as much room in the bathtub as the old showers. And then you get the handheld, and you also get some moisturizers, Clarify shampoo, 2 body lotions. Wow. So that's pretty nice. And a lot of people ask about the walls. These are all magnetic, so you can bring little hook magnets to hang hats, or some people bring a fan. The roof is also metal, so you can hang a fan. Then you got the TV. Oh yeah, and the fridge. Well, the cooler. It's not too bad. We'll see how cold these get. It's if these aren't attached in some rooms, there's a little strap right there that attaches this. If it's not attached, you can keep this door propped open like that, and more airflow will actually get a little cooler. This is an iPod deck, but no one really has an iPod anymore. It was a nice thought. And that's it. Pretty decent. There's lights everywhere. And then looks like we got some cruise offers here. Got a balcony next time. And that's it. So this is room 7636 on the Allure. I'll be on the Harmony of the Seas again in February on the 20th. So watch for me then. And that room, that'll be another junior suite.